Hey there, Heretik. I'm Rishi Kular, Head of Product, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install the Heretik application. Let's get started. The first step is to create a new workspace. So I'm going to go to the Workspaces tab in Relativity and click the New Workspace button. I'll call this How to Install Heretik and select a matter and a client, as well as a template workspace. Now I'll just pick my resource pool and save. So now I'm just going to click into my new workspace, head to the Relativity Applications tab, and select New Relativity Application. Here I'll import from file, and I'll choose the Heretik wrap file that Heretik Customer Success gave you. Okay, and now I'm just going to click the Import button. Okay, it looks like the Heretik application imported successfully. Now I'm going to head to the Settings tab of the Heretik application. So here I'm in Settings under the Heretik tab. And now I'm just going to click Edit. And for license key, I would paste in the license key that Heretik Customer Success sent me. And for workspace type, I'm going to select Heretik, and then I'll save. Next up, I'm going to head to the Instance Settings tab. And under Name, I'm going to type in Web API. And here under Section, I'm going to look for heretik.ai. And for this URL, I'm just looking and checking that this URL is the same as it is for other Relativity instance settings. And in this case, I can see that it is indeed the same. So that's a good thing. Now this URL is essentially the server that we'll use when calling the import API during Heretik analysis. And so the URL you see will be different than the one here, but it's just important to know that it should be the same as it is for other Relativity instance settings, otherwise Heretik analysis won't work properly. For more information on this, you can head to our Help Center, and under Installation and Setup, under the Installation category, you can go to Configuring Server for Import API, and here we have an article with more information. Alright, heading back to Relativity, my next step is to go to the Resource Files tab, click New Resource File. For application, I'll select Heretik. And for the resource file, I'm going to choose the heretik.model file that our customer success team provided you. And here, it's just really important that it's named exactly heretik.model, otherwise the Heretik application won't work properly. And now I'll just save. Okay, we're almost done. Last step, I'm going to head to the Agents tab in Relativity and add some Heretik agents. So I'll click New Agent, Agent Type, type in Heretik, and I'll add a Heretik Worker agent, save in New. Couldn't save. Nice error. Thank you, Relativity. Gotta choose a server. Agent server, I'll pick one. And one thing I'll note here is I've only added one agent. I'll speak to this at the end once I'm finished adding all of these agents. So now I'll click Save and New. For my next agent type, I'll choose the Heretik Training agent. This time I'll properly pick my agent server. Save and New. And now I'll add the Heretik OCR agent. Okay, now just a note here on the number of agents. I've just kept one for purposes of this video, but the number of agents you want to add really depends on the workload that you have for your analysis. So for more information on this, you can head to our Help Center. If you go to Installation and Setup, and Technical and Infrastructure Requirements, we'll really lay out how many Heretik agents you'll need. Again, it depends on how quickly you want OCR and analysis to complete, but we're really here to help you plan the infrastructure to fit the needs and time frame of your project. So please contact us at support@heretik.com. If you have any questions, we're happy to help with that. So that will do it for how to install the Heretik application. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.